How to learn any skill or subject in 21 days. Sebastian Archer's method for learning any skill or subject in 21 days revolves around focused effort, clear goals, and effective techniques. The idea is not to become an expert in 21 days, but to make significant progress in understanding or developing a skill. Here is a simplified explanation of his approach to learning quickly and efficiently. Set clear goals. The first step in learning anything in 21 days is to set a clear, specific goal. You need to know exactly what you want to achieve. For example, if you want to learn guitar, your goal could be learn how to play 5 basic chords and 1 simple song. Having a clear goal helps you stay focused and motivated. It's important that your goal is realistic and measurable, so you can see your progress. Break it down. Once you have a goal, break it down into smaller, manageable tasks. For example, if your goal is to learn 5 guitar chords, you could break it down into daily tasks like this. Day 1, learn chord A. Day 2, learn chord C. Day 3, practice chords A and C together. Day 4, learn chord D. Breaking it down into smaller steps helps make the process less overwhelming. By focusing on small daily tasks, you can steadily build your skills or knowledge without feeling frustrated. Use the 80-20 rule. Sebastian Archer encourages using the 80-20 rule when learning a new skill. This means you focus on the 20% of the things that will give you 80% of the results. For example, if you are learning a new language, don't try to memorize thousands of words at once. Instead, focus on the most common words and phrases that are used in everyday conversations. This way, you quickly start seeing progress and can use the skill early on. Learn actively. Active learning is about engaging with the material in a meaningful way, instead of passively reading or watching videos. Archer suggests practicing and applying what you are learning. If you are writing to write, start by writing small paragraphs every day. If you are learning to play an instrument, practice it daily, even for a short time. By practicing regularly, you start to internalize the skill. Hands-on practice is more effective than just reading about a topic because it forces you to actively think and improve. Focus and eliminate distractions. To make the most of your 21 days, you need to stay focused. Archer emphasized the importance of eliminating distractions. Set aside specific times during the day for learning and make sure to avoid distractions like your phone, social media, or TV during these sessions. Even if you only spend 30 minutes a day on your learning, it should be 30 minutes of focus uninterrupted time. Use spaced repetition. One of the key techniques for helping effectively is spaced repetition. This method involves reviewing what you have learned at increasing intervals. For example, if you learn something on day 1, review it on day 2, then again on day 4, day 7, and so on. Spaced repetition helps move information from short-term memory to long-term memory. Tools like flashcards or apps like Anki can help you with this process, especially for subjects like vocabulary or facts. Get feedback and adjust as you practice. It's important to get feedback. This helps you understand where you are improving and where you need more work. Feedback can come from a teacher, a friend, or even from yourself by recording your progress. For example, if you are learning to play guitar, record yourself playing and listen to see if you are making mistakes. Based on the feedback, adjust your practice and focus on areas where you need improvement. Stay consistent and motivated. Learning a new skill requires consistency. Archer suggests keeping yourself motivated by tracking your progress. You can do this by keeping a journal or checklist of what you have learned each day. Seeing your daily achievements, no matter how small, can give you the motivations to keep going. Sebastian Archer's method for learning any skill or subject in 21 days is simple but powerful. It's based on setting clear goals, breaking them down into small tasks, staying focused, and practicing consistently. By using techniques like the 80-20 rule and spaced repetition, you can make faster progress. The key is to commit to the process and stay motivated. In just 21 days, you won't become an expert, but you will make significant strides in mastering a chosen skill or subject.